Why do some designs feel comfortable and pleasing to the eye, while others feel irritating and overwhelming? The difference is not the number of colors used, but how those colors are combined. We don't just scatter colors randomly across our designs. Just like music has harmony, colors have harmony too. Today, I'll show you the 4 major color harmony techniques that designers around the world use. Once you understand these methods, choosing colors will no longer be a challenge for you. The first method is called monochromatic. It means the beauty of a single color. This technique uses only one color along with its lighter and darker variations, known as tints and shades. Why do we use this method? Because it creates a clean, organized, and elegant look. For example, you'll often see this technique used in bank advertisements and luxury brand promotions. The second method is called analogous, or neighboring colors. These are colors that sit next to each other on the color wheel. For example, yellow, yellow-green, and green. Why do we use this method? Because these color combinations are commonly found in nature, like the colors of a sunset, making them pleasing to the eye and creating a natural, harmonious feeling. For instance, using green, yellow, and blue together works beautifully for natural products and health-related advertisements. The third method is extremely important in advertising design. It's called complementary, which means opposites attract. These are colors located directly opposite each other on the color wheel. Examples include red and green, or blue and orange. Why do we use this method? Because complementary colors create strong contrast and instantly grab people's attention. For example, if you place orange text on a blue background, the text will stand out and immediately catch the viewer's eye. That's why complementary colors are often the best choice for call to action buttons and attention-grabbing elements. The fourth method is called triadic, or the triangle color scheme. This technique uses 3 colors that are evenly spaced around the color wheel. For example, red, yellow, and blue. Why do we use this method? To create a vibrant, energetic, and lively feeling. However, here's an important tip: whenever you use this method, you should follow the 60-30-10 rule. Otherwise, the design may become visually overwhelming and distracting to viewers. If you apply these 4 color harmony techniques correctly, your designs will always look balanced and professional. Today's assignment: look at any famous logo and identify which of these 4 color harmony rules it uses. Write your answer in the comments right now. That's all for today's lesson. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.